What's up guys, today we're going to be learning how to prototype a website pop-up on Figma. But before we get to that, what exactly is a pop-up? A pop-up is a small window that appears on the user screen while they are browsing a website, and usually it can be configured to appear when the user is scrolling, let's say to a certain point, the pop-up is going to come up, or if the user clicks on something, it could be a button, it could be a picture, it could be a link, or it could be configured to appear after a specific period of time. It could be 10 minutes, it could be 30 minutes. While the user is, let's say, reading an article, the pop-up could just appear. So why exactly do people even choose to use pop-ups? First, for marketing, to promote offers, share coupons, collect email addresses, if they want to gather feedback in the form of surveys, or if they want to display notifications to the user, maybe alert, and let's say notify users of certain errors. They could use pop-ups. Now that we have a little bit of information about pop-ups, I want us to go straight into creating our prototype. So in front of us, we have a design. If you want to see how I came up with this design, leave a comment in the comment section and I'm going to work on that tutorial. And even if you want to see how I prototype a slider like this, still leave a comment and I'm going to create one for you guys. So we have two frames in front of us. We have the home screen, which is going to be this, and we have the pop-up itself. So I'll just call this pop-up. I like to give my frames names. So this is going to be very straightforward. We want to link up the home to this so that if after a specific amount of time, let's say 2 seconds, the pop-up is going to appear, or let's say 5 seconds, the pop-up is going to appear, and I can close the pop-up from here. So how do we do that? So make sure we're already on the prototype here. I wanted us to start from design so that we know that we're from design. Then if you want to create a prototype, make sure that you go to the prototype tab, and we are going to start by creating a link between the home and the pop-up. So select the home, make sure you click on the plus node, which is this, and we're going to drag it and link it up to the pop-up, which is this frame. So our interaction, so you see this is already a pop-up here. Interaction, this is a whole pop-up that just appeared here. So we're going to look at a trigger. What's going to be our trigger? Our trigger should be after delay, and we want our trigger to be 5,000 milliseconds. What is going to be our action? So when you click on this, what should happen? It should open an overlay, and we need to now configure how our overlay is supposed to appear. So our overlay position is going to be centered. We have different options under the drop down of position, which is top left, center, bottom right. You could even do manual, but in this case I just want it to be centered. Then we have close when you click outside. So if you click out of the pop-up itself, is it going to close? I don't want this to be an option because I want that it should only be closed when you click on the close button. But I want us to add a background. So when the pop-up comes up, we want that there should be some sort of background so the user is not distracted with what is going on behind. So our background is going to be black. We can still make it purple, look for a darker shade of purple, but we are going to reduce the opacity so the user still feels like I am on the same page, just as something just came up. So I'll just give this 80 for the transparency or the opacity. So we'll have our animation dissolve, and the curve is out. We can give is in and out, and duration is 300 milliseconds. This is fine. I don't have an issue with this. So our settings are fine, and we are going to close this. Now, before we go to testing out our prototype, we need to set up how to close our pop-up. So in order to close our pop-up, we need to configure this. So just make sure that you select the close button, and we're going to drag this to close overlay. And that's just it. That's all about creating a pop-up. So I'm going to view this. I want us to preview this, but I want us to add a starting point so that we can preview it right from this screen. I don't want us to go to another screen. So we're just going to click on flow starting point, and I will just call this home pop-up. And we are going to click on the preview icon. Great. So you see the way it appeared after 5 seconds. And now if I don't want this, I'm going to click on close button. But if I wanted to click anywhere around this in order to close this pop-up, I would have set that up there. So I just want to close this, and yes, close our pop-up. So guys, that is exactly how you create a simple pop-up interaction on Figma. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please don't forget to share, Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be coming up with more tutorials on how to make better use of Figma. Till next time, thank you for watching.